First we do this multiplication. 1 over 10 times 10. We can easily cancel this 10 and this 10. So here we have just 1. And the 10 divided by 1 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, 10 divided by 1 over 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 10. 10 times 10 times 10. First we do this multiplication. 10 times 10 equals 100. So 100 times 10, which equals 1000. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1000.